What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to check the battery health of your MacBook Pro. So sometimes before you buy a new MacBook Pro, a used MacBook Pro, you need to check the battery health before you do so. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, click on the system settings and then general. Once you click general, click about and slide down. You're gonna see system report, click on it. After that we're gonna click power, and as you guys can see the cycle count is 24. The condition is normal, so which is a good thing. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys again for watching this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.